With autumn, you say goodbye to summer, but also the many different landscaping tasks that you've been performing over the last 6 months or so. But before you kick back, put your feet up, and enjoy the fall, there's some work to be done to ensure your yard looks great throughout the winter and is primed for next year as well. Inspect your property. This is a great time to perform a seasonal inspection. Walk from one corner of your property and then back again. Take your time and let your eyes scan as high as the roof, as low as the soil bed beneath the grass, and along the periphery as well. Make a note of anything that needs tending. Collect debris. Consider this the first pass over your yard in terms of getting rid of any rubbish or waste. Don't worry about anything small enough to rake. We'll get to that. This is your chance to haul away trash and determine what to do with those eyesores and other items that have had you procrastinating. Clean the gutters. Clear out leaves and other debris from gutters and gutter guards. Ensure that downspouts are clear and allow water to pass easily through to drainage. This is also a good time to clean the curb-facing aspect of your gutters with a household grease cutter and some rags. Leaves can be tossed to the ground if you'll be raking soon, unless they're particularly wet, smelly, or otherwise nasty. Collect leaves. Leaves can suffocate your lawn, so you'll want to collect them, but you don't have to trash them. You can shred them and then use the mulch you've created for flower beds, shrubs, or so forth. Another option is to create compost for next year. You can even create your own compost bin using some inexpensive wire fencing or old pallets. Flip and poke each week with a pitchfork to achieve that perfect mix. Or, for an easier and faster method of generating compost, get a compost tumbler. Prune the trees. If you have branches you want to trim, this is the right time of year to do it. It's also the appropriate season to prune dead limbs and spent stems. These branches will blow into your yard eventually anyway, and it helps growth and avoids disease throughout the colder months. Till vegetable garden. Prepare your vegetable gardens for next year. Remove all debris, till the soil, and add 2 to 4 inches of new material as needed. Finish this process by applying a layer of compost that will nurture the soil throughout the winter and have it primed for spring. Ready to tend your yard and landscape? Then follow this simple checklist. Visit our site for more advice and tips. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.